Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with EVgo app for billing and receipts. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by downloading the EVgo app from your device's app store. Open the app once the download is complete. You'll see the welcome screen. Tap on the sign up button. Fill in your email address in the specified field. Create a secure password. Confirm your password by entering it again. Next, input your first and last name in the designated fields. Select your preferred payment method from the options provided. Follow the prompts to enter your payment information. Review the terms and conditions and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box to accept them. Tap on the Continue button to proceed. You will receive a verification email. Open your email and click on the verification link. Return to the EVgo app after verifying your email. Log in using the email and password you just created. Navigate to the Settings or Account section of the app. Look for the Billing or Receipts option in the menu. Here, you can manage your billing preferences. Choose to receive electronic receipts via email. You can also set up billing notifications if available. Review all entered information one last time. Tap on Save to finalize your settings. You are now registered with the EVgo app for billing and receipts. Enjoy the convenience of managing your EV charging experience directly from the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.